Oh my god, you guys, it's another box opening. We just got this yarn in. It's a brand new yarn for us, like totally new. Oh, it's okay. So, oh, one of them is even hanged already. Oh, that was so nice of them. So this is a Targhee. We're calling it Targhee Tango, and that's because it's Targhee with some fine dark wool blended in to make it in different shades. So this is the same Targhee base that we do for our Festivus yarns, if you're familiar with those. We're gonna have it in sport weight, which is what we're opening now, and oh my god, it's so soft. It's squishy and kind of a merino-like fiber, and it's blended with dark fine wool to give it the shades. So this is the medium light. It comes in hanks like this. We have to twist it into skeins. So it comes like this. These are unwashed skeins, which means that you get to see the magic that happens when you knit with it and then wash it. It blooms and fluffs up and gets really squishy. So that's really the medium. Nice. Riley, that's the medium light. Okay, let's open the next one. Okay. So this one, we don't know yet. Let's see.
The lightest shade for me. I'm a little anxious here.
Oh, okay, so actually, so this is medium dark then, right?
Yeah.
This is the 10%. Okay, so this is the 25%.
Yep, this is the 25.
This is the 10%. You can see there's a shade difference there. And this is a warm gray brown.
This is really pretty.
Let's use this as a table.
Okay.
It's so soft. Even though it's unwashed, it's still really soft. So that's, let's not tangle it. Yeah, it would be just our luck to get it all tangled. Okay, this, you're being such a good
wow,
girl.
this is so nice.
It's so soft. You know, you expect the unwashed wool to be rough or maybe a little bit wiry. It's not. And then, trust me when you wash it. And it looks really thin as well, but when you wash it, it's gonna fluff up and get fuller. Okay, oh, this is the white. Ooh, the white is 100% Targhee. And it's really creamy. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, the sheen on this is so nice. It's so buttery. So that's the white. 3 shades. All right, Riley. I'm not going to do over. Oops. Okay, ready? There you go. Okay, one more. This should be the darkest one.
That's the darkest.
Okay. And none of it is super dark. So this is like a 50%. Oh, this is nice. So this shade is kind of a chocolate. So here are the 4 shades.
Oh,
look
wow.
at that. That's going to make really nice color work. So this yarn blooms so beautifully. So working in stranded color work or slip stitches for a yoke sweater would be a wonderful application for this yarn. It will knit to a heavier sport gauge. The sport weight has 400 yards per skein, but you can get gauge, for instance, for the counterweights pullover that I have on. You can get gauge for that, and also for the pinstripe pullover patterns that I'm publishing, and Seafred, and just trying to think of other ones.
Yeah.
We have a bunch
I
of
would
new
even
ones.
try the multigrain.
Yeah, multigrain too. Barb knit that in sport weight, a different sport weight.
The thin 3-ply.
Coolio.
This
So
is
that's
nice.
that's our Targhee Tango Sport, and the color names will be all types of tango dance. So there's Apalato and what else? Argentine.
Nuevo or
yeah, Nuevo. What's the other one? You're more You're working with
I'm
the
more of
color
a
name.
dancer.
No.
Is that what you're trying to say?
No. I don't know, actually. You probably are more
I
of
can
a
do
dancer.
the tango.
Yeah. She's working with the color names more than I am. But, because, you know, the labels and stuff. So, all
No,
right.
I'm curious.
This comes in worsted weight, too. And we're going to make a separate video about that. Squishy.
Finish.